Hi, Avi.
Hey
So,
Harsh,
Avi, just for the record, how old are you?
I am 19 years old, just turned 19 this year.
When did you start investing in crypto?
Started invested in crypto in 2017, late February.
Okay. When did you enter into Dogecoin?
Dogecoin was like starting of Jan this
कितने
year.
में?
I guess it was like, पता नहीं, I don't remember also. I just invested in कि like chuck it man होने दो.
But like I think January है ना, तो around 5 or 10
हाँ.
के around कुछ था उस time, I guess price.
Yeah, I bought it from the gray market. This is to be honest.
Hmm. So, and when did you get out of it?
I'm still not out of it. I'm still holding them.
Hmm. And now the price is 45 as we speak. So, if any of you are listening to this and if you feel कि FOMO हो रहा है, please listen to the rest of it. So you started investing some time back, right?
Yeah.
And the reason I'm actually recording this is because when I first of all I started a little late and I did my due diligence. I did my share of interest because this is the first time I was getting into crypto and I wanted to make sure that I knew what I was putting my hands in. But in the very limited time, I have seen that there were many people who came up to me asking about what exactly crypto is. So let's start with that. Okay. So
Okay.
how did you actually start investing and like what made you actually get into it?
Well, to be very honest with you, what happened was like घर पे new computer आया था. I was just playing my GTA San Andreas, that good old days when you played GTA San Andreas, and then all of a sudden मैं भाई असली तो खरीदी नहीं थी, पायरेटेड ही चलाता था, तो उसमें एड्स आती थी बीच में. एक ऐड आ गई उसमें कि बाय बिटकॉइन एंड डबल योर मनी. तब आई वॉज गेटिंग अ रेट ऑफ टू बाय बिटकॉइन वाज लाइक मिनिमम वाज 100 रुपीज का खरीद लो थोड़े से पॉइंट्स. So
Hmm.
I just made my account on blockchain and like मैंने देखा कि ठीक है, एंड वो जो 12 सीट्स थे वो मैंने मॉम को दे दी कि मॉम आप रख लो 12 सीट्स जो होते हैं उसके, एंड कीप देम सेफ. सो उनको रखा रहा देन ऑल ऑफ अ सडन मेरे को याद आया कि लाइक एंड ऑफ 2018 तक मेरे पास शायद से अराउंड 2 से लेके 3 बिटकॉइंस हो गए थे मेरे पास.
Hmm.
इतने हो गए थे मेरे पास कि मैंने इतने इन्वेस्ट कर दिए हैं, क्योंकि लाइक तब मैं बोलता था कि मेरे को कुछ और लेना है, गेम खरीदनी है. तब तो पी एस जो आया था तो मैंने बोला कि मेरे को ये कुछ खराब हो गया, इसको ठीक कराना था, तो मैंने 20,000 तो ऐसे ही उसमें दे दिए थे. फिर
Hmm.
कार्ड से पता भी क्या लगना था कहाँ जाना है, और वो डिसेंट्रलाइज होता था तो मैसेज भी नहीं आता था उसका. तो
Hmm.
उससे जाके खुद पेमेंट हो गई. सो दिस वाज द लाइक मेन स्टार्टिंग, और फिर उसके बाद मैंने फिर 2018 में माइनिंग शुरू करी एंड देन सो ऑन एंड सो ऑन.
Okay. So like ये mining वाला process एक होता है which many people don't know about कि मतलब ये
हम्म.
आ कहाँ से रहा है. People just think that this is something that exists, right? जैसे अगर it's like people think it's kind of like a movie ticket or people think it's kind of like a concert ticket, and I know that this is a fairly common assumption because
हम्म.
people really don't know what this is. So cryptocurrency is not actually that exists. मतलब it is something that's supposed to be mined. There's a finite supply in case of some, and
हम्म.
in case of some that supply is infinite. For example, if we talk about Dogecoin, right?
हाँ,
It's
डोज कॉइन.
available in an infinite supply, right? वो मतलब वो mine होते रहेगा. And for let's just take Bitcoin in example. Bitcoin is available in a finite supply.
हम्म.
So the difference in that is कि अगर तुम्हारे पास कोई चीज infinite supply में available है, मतलब वो हर साल नई माइन हो सकती है, मिंट हो सकती है. मीनिंग कि इट्स लाइक रिसोर्सेज है. वो तुम जितना खोदोगे तुमको पता है कि अंदर क्वांटिटी और अवेलेबल है.
आते रहेंगी बाहर, हाँ.
बट फाइनाइट सप्लाई का हो गया. इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल कोल ले लो, राइट?
हम्म.
You know that at one point it's going to get exhausted and we're going to run out of it. And in Bitcoin, the thing is that we are very close to it. Like
यस.
Bitcoin बहुत सारे माइन हो चुके हैं and Bitcoin को माइन करने के लिए the computation power that is required, that is a lot. Because ये चीज हम घर पे कर सकते हैं. Like you can actually go ahead and mine, but the
या.
amount of power and the amount of electricity it's going to take for you to actually mine a Bitcoin is huge, and you might not even be able to generate one at the end of the day. Because Bitcoin is actually, what you do is your computer solves some transactions. It's a decentralized network. Cryptocurrency in general is a decentralized network जो एक network, like it, no one's actually owning it.
Controlling it, yeah. No one is
Exactly.
controlling it.
देर इज नो रेगुलेटरी बॉडी. जैसे अगर तुम कोई बैंक देखते हो, अगर जैसे एसबीआई देख लिया, फिर कोई भी करेंसी देख लिया,
Hmm.
कोई भी फेडरल, लाइक इट्स ओन्ड बाय अ फेडरल रिजर्व, इट्स ओन्ड बाय अ कंट्री, it's owned by a bank, it's owned by somebody. But in case of cryptocurrencies, there is no one who's actually having any authority over it. कि अगर कल किसी ने decide किया कि you know what, let's decrease the price of it, or let's stop the quantity, there is no governing body on it. So that is the beauty of it. It's like it's given out, there is complete transparency. There's complete transparency and there is no data at the same time, because there
Hmm.
is no one controlling it. But at the same time, since there is no one actually keeping records, you can't even know ki who's holding kitna,
हाँ.
right? So these are just few things that I think we should know in our mind before we actually get started about crypto. Because from what I can see is many people are just getting or jumping into crypto because it is the new cool.
Yeah,
And
it is the new cloud there.
हाँ, और लोगों और बहुत लोग प्रॉफिट कर रहे हैं. बट देन इफ यू आर जंपिंग इनटू क्रिप्टो, लेट्स से तूने 10,000 का अपना 1 लाख कर भी लिया, you are going to want to invest that
Hmm.
1 lakh back, because that thirst is never ending, and you have just gotten a taste of it. तो तेरे को लगेगा कि हाँ, मैं जाके अभी इसको 1 लाख का, मैं इस 1 लाख का 10 लाख कर देता हूँ. So your luck might
Hmm.
work now, because again, taking into context Dogecoin, it's working. Okay, many people don't even know why they're investing in it. They just Elon का tweet देख लिया, चले गए. Actually, that is the logic right now. But
हाँ, that
coming
is
to that,
true.
yeah, but लोगों को नहीं पता, and that if they don't get their head clear or their concepts clear on it, it's going to just come down raining on them. So
True.
these are the things that are very basic and you should know.
काफी काफी लोग बोलते हैं कि बिटकॉइन इंडिया में लाइक इनलीगल है. बट द
Hmm.
थिंग इज कि अब तो चलो, बोल दी फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर ने बोल दिया कि इट इज इनलीगल. बट
Hmm.
जब आप उनकी मीटिंग या कुछ देखते हो, अभी रिसेंटली कुछ उनकी शायद से कुछ न्यूज चैनल के साथ हुआ था, फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर ने बोला था कि हम सपोर्ट करते हैं बट आरबीआई ने मना करा है.
Hmm.
फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर सपोर्ट करती है बट आरबीआई नहीं करती, क्योंकि आरबीआई सपोर्ट इसलिए नहीं करती है क्योंकि उनको कुछ प्रॉफिट उसमें से मिल नहीं रहा है, और ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग इनमें ट्रांजैक्शन ज्यादा कर रहे हैं. सो
Hmm.
दिस इज द
True.
मेन थिंग दैट कि उनको प्रॉफिट नहीं मिल रहा तभी वो उसको सपोर्ट नहीं करते हैं.
And there's also one more thing कि अगर RBI, like I know the, like just my take at this is कि if you are investing in Doge or if you're investing in a crypto, there is a high chance that, like if you're earning out of it, the disbalance in the economy, it sort of increases. Because let's say I'm buying Doge or like you're holding Doge, the
हम्म.
same thing that happened with Bitcoin. आज के डेट में एक बिटकॉइन, अगर लेट्स से यू चेंज द करेंसी टू बिटकॉइन टुडे, there's going to be this extreme contrast, because there are people who are holding bitcoin from when it was what, like 10 rupee or 20 rupees or
हाँ.
something like that. And aaj ke date mein people can't even afford that. So I think somewhere that fear or that sense of fear is also there ki what if there comes a point where rupee is not able to compete with this, where there is a never ending supply in the hands of the people, but we do not, like, and that just makes our primary currency obsolete.
And there was a news also कि like Bitcoin is the world's sixth biggest like currency.
Hmm.
न्यूज आई थी ये कि अब बिटकॉइन सिक्स बिगेस्ट करेंसी बन गया. तो लाइक लोगों को टेंशन कि लोग ज्यादा क्रिप्टो करेंसीज में इसलिए इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं क्योंकि जैसे लाइक टेक एन एग्जांपल, अगर जैसे नोटबंदी हुई थी अभी, जब हुई थी तो मोदी ने बोल दिया था कि जो नोट बंद हो रहे हैं वो थे 1,000 और 500 वाले नोट्स बंद हो रहे हैं, अब वो कोई लेगा ही नहीं.
Hmm.
मैं अपने एक पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस से बताता हूँ कि जब बंद हुआ था तब मैं किसी के बर्थडे पे गया था.
Hmm.
मम्मी पापा ने इतनी जल्दी अपने लिफाफे में और पैसे डाले कि बोल दो इसको तुम 500 1000 रुपए के नोट लौट जाओ. मेरे को अभी भी याद है क्या हुआ था उस दिन. फिर उसके बाद अगर अगर ये चीज सोचो, अगर किसी कोई बंदा तुम्हें ऐसे कभी भी, अगर जैसे अभी सोचो मोदी ने कल उठ के बोला कि 2,000 के नोट भी बंद हो गए, वो तो उसके हाथ में ना, बट बिटकॉइन का मेन ये है कि वो किसी के ऊपर नहीं है, वो किसी की सुनता नहीं है, दैट जस्ट वर्क्स ऑन
Exactly.
डिमांड एंड सप्लाई, सो दैट इज द बेस्ट थिंग.
So, it's not just about Bitcoin, for example. I mean, I know we are talking about Bitcoin, but
Hmm.
that's like just keeping the context clear. It's about crypto in general.
Yes.
There is no regulatory body, and that's the beauty of it. That is the first thing that had people's faith, because the current currency system that we have or have had over the years, and it's not just about India, it's about other countries as well. It's the idea of how the currency operates. It is not really transparent, and it has there are many factors that come into it, which are not really in our hands. So it's like investing in something that you have no idea about. Today, everything that you own and everything that you have earned, you have practically invested that in rupee, right? So
True.
when you are investing, acha, agar let's say there was some alternative currency available to you, let's say rupee ke sath to actually let's just take Dogecoin as an acceptable form of currency in on a regular day-to-day basis. If you see that rupee is not going to do well and Dogecoin is, you would actually go ahead and invest in Dogecoin instead of investing in rupee,
Huh.
right? And
True.
that is just the complete fixture of it. That is how the structure is meant to be. It's very unlikely and it's very unimaginable, because something at this scale has never happened before. Like, we have never imagined that there will ever be, or there could ever be a replacement or a substitute for rupee or for the primary currencies that each country holds. But it's just we've just started to realize that there just might be something.
Hmm.
So I have had this one question that people have, okay, and it's a very tricky question. It's a very valid concern, which is how much to invest, right?
Okay. For
So
starting.
yeah, for starting, exactly. So one thing that I've seen is that people come up to me and they're like, "Bro, तूने कितना लगाया, मैं कितना लगाऊं?" And
Hmm.
like, from what I feel is like, since see, Avi, you when you started out, you knew that you were just taking your pocket money,
Huh.
right? तो तेरा केस डिफरेंट हुआ. तेरे केस में कि यार मैं तो पॉकेट मनी है, इट्स नॉट लाइक यू आर लूजिंग योर सेविंग्स. इट्स लाइक
Hmm.
कि हाँ, तेरे को तो ऐसे मिल रहा है तो तू लगा दे रहा है उसको. इट्स विच इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग. आई एम नो वे सेइंग दैट इट्स बैड, because I don't think at that age anyone's brain, at least in India, is designed to work that way. कि anyone has that mindset कि चलो अब मेरे पास पैसे हैं तो मैं इसको इन्वेस्टमेंट की तरफ देखता हूँ, instead of seeing what I can get out of it.
True.
But when I look at the people who are actually the earning members, or people who have had savings over the years, or people who are like saving money from their tuition assistances, or their like college ka hostel mein reh ke the
Hmm.
amount that they're saving, for them it becomes a matter of concern. And I think we'll both agree when the most common advice that you might have given or I give is invest what you can afford to lose,
Hmm.
right? Because it fluctuates a lot.
True. So, according to me, like for a person who is just starting to invest right now, like before investing only, like I would, if he's asking me like how much to invest, like I would tell him beforehand, ki like just like get like they just get to know what are you investing, or like what are you getting into, because in this market, like people are going to be millionaires, or just they are going to go down like to zero.
Hmm.
So just before entering, I'll just tell them ki like don't invest all you have. Just like invest small parts of it. Like the minimum investment I would tell a guy to invest is like about $4,000 or $5,000. That's it, because you can get about more than 500 coins under that range.
Right. So I'll just correct. It was 4,000 to 5,000 rupees.
Yes.
It's difficult when you're keeping track of the international market. Like, that is the complete point of this episode कि currency अब क्या रहेगी पता नहीं चलेगा. So excusing that error. And I think see, पता है एक चीज जो मैंने देखी है अभी, It's key when you invest some amount. There's always the FOMO is always going to be there. That is the point of investing. अगर तू किसी चीज में अच्छा इन्वेस्ट कर दे रहा है तो तू
हाँ।
सोचेगा कि ओ आई शुड हैव इन्वेस्टेड मोर. अगर तू
हम्म।
किसी चीज में इन्वेस्ट कर रहा है and if it's going down you're like fuck why did I not invest earlier or why did I not wait for it to go down and then invest. So you're always going to have a FOMO one way or the another. The point being you have to decide that the only way to reassure you is that this is the sum that you were safe to play with. I'll just give Mera example, okay? I invested a sum in Doge, right? It
हम्म।
it flew up to 52 today. तो मैंने 52 पे half sell किया just to secure some of my investment, and then it went up to 58. So, and but I didn't have the regret ki why did I not wait till 58? Because I understand that there is a particular sum that I'm willing to bet, or I'm willing to gamble with, because
हम्म।
that is what essentially crypto ka market is. If you're considering at least Doge at this point,
हाँ।
it's plain gambling. It's not it. There is no uh, an analysis that you can say, because it's just working on market sentiments, and the market sentiments are very unpredictable right now.
It
So
is.
my one advice being, it's okay to lose the amount you invested. It's okay to make 200 times of what you invested. But if you actually keep spiraling down into this bubble that, oh fuck, I should have invested more, oh fuck, I should have invested less, it's going to impact the next investments that you make. Because let's say अभी अगर तेरे को लग रहा है कि तूने डोज में 10,000 लगाए and you think that you should have invested more. So next time you go with all in and you invest 20 and then all of that comes to zero. That fear is never ending. So yeah, I can't emphasize on it more. Like मैंने 4 बार बोल दिया, मेरे को realize हो रहा है, but then I know कि some dumb fuck out there will still not understand this. Like
पहले तो ऐसे ऐसे मेरे साथ ही होता था। पहले मेरे को नहीं समझ आता कि लाइक कितना करे, बट फिर लाइक
hmm,
मेरे को एक बार में समझ आया कि जब जो बिटकॉइन का जब ड्रॉप आया था ना, मीन लाइक फ्रॉम when it rose from 5 lakhs till 14 lakhs, which was the high point in like 2018.
hmm,
तो तब तब मैंने बेचे नहीं थे। मैंने बोला था कि ऊपर जाने दो। फिर लाइक जब मैं सोया, अगली बारी जब उठा, तो आई जस्ट सॉ माय फोन की व्हेन द प्राइस वाज अबाउट 4 लाख रुपीज। तब तब मेरे को रिग्रेट हुआ, बट आई थॉट, बट मैंने तब भी अपनी होप छोड़ी। मैंने बोला कि अब तो चलो गिर गए हैं, अब और माइनिंग करूंगा। तब मैंने उस साल दबा के माइनिंग करी। अब जाके प्राइस जब 45 लाख पहुंचा, तब मेरे को ठीक लगता है।
okay. So like one thing that I don't know, I know how the mining works. Like I know
हम्म।
how the technology, or how the underlying technology behind it is to some extent. Like I know
ओके।
that essentially what your computer is doing is it is completing transactions on that
यस।
currency that are happening on that chain, right?
हम्म।
So I think many people will have this question: how do you actually do that setup, and how much does it cost you, and how much time or how much is the output out of it?
अगर लाइक you have a you have a good capital to invest in for mining machines. So like mining machines are more like supercomputers which
Hmm.
solve your mathematics problem। for mathematics problem इसलिए बोला क्योंकि like कंप्यूटर के लिए जो कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज में है, वो ब्लॉक्स कंप्लीट करते हैं।
Yes.
सो इसमें कंफर्मेशंस होती हैं। सो लाइक बहुत सारे ब्लॉक्स होते हैं लाइक जो कंप्यूटर ने कंप्लीट करने थे। तो मैंने जब माइनिंग शुरू करी थी, सो आई स्टार्टेड विद द लाइक, जब सबको पता होगा जो जी टी एक्स का 1080 आया था, न्यू
Hmm.
न्यू, which was the like best graphic card out there. So that so I got that for about 80,000 rupees। तब मैंने अपना like crypto mining अपने सेल करके खुद उसमें करा था। एंड तब मैंने दो लगाए थे, दो जीपीयू लगाए। एंड लाइक आई जस्ट कनेक्टेड इट टू माय कंप्यूटर एंड आई गॉट वन गाय from that store only, which was Nehru Place, that is known as the computer market. So वहाँ पे तो ऐसे लोग मिल ही जाते हैं कि कौन कौन
Hmm.
होगा। तो वहाँ पे मेरे को बंदा मिला, उसने बोला कि माइनिंग वाला आप बना दो, कुछ नया है। तो उसने मेरे को छोटा सा एक सीपीयू का कोई कोई पार्ट था, उसने मेरे को दिया। उसने बोला कि ये अपने कंप्यूटर में कनेक्ट कर लो और ये ना आपके रन होता रहेगा। उसने एक सॉफ्टवेयर डाउनलोड करवा दिया था इस पे, मेरे को तो नाम भी नहीं पता क्या था।
Hmm.
एंड वो लाइक होता क्या था, समझ लो कि 24 आवर्स ओपन करके रखना और अपना अकाउंट कनेक्ट कर देना इसमें. सो
Hmm.
सॉफ्टवेयर वाज लाइक डाउनलोडेड एंड लाइक सॉफ्टवेयर डाउनलोड हो गया एंड कंप्यूटर हो गया. तो लाइक हुआ क्या, जब व्हेन द जीपीयूज यूज्ड टू रन ना, आई हैव टू लाइक टर्न ऑन द एसीज एंड लेट इट रन फॉर 24 आवर्स. सो आफ्टर
Hmm.
2 to 3 days मेरे को मैंने देखा कि माइन होना शुरू हो गए हैं अच्छे से. सो
Hmm.
मेरे पास लाइक इन 2 days आई गॉट लाइक 13 रुपीज के क्रिप्टो करेंसी मेरी माइन हो गई थी, बिटकॉइन,
Hmm.
2 दिन में. एंड देन मेरा मंथली आउटपुट कुछ बन गया था इन 6 to 8 thousand रुपीज के बीटीसी वर्थ मेरे निकलने शुरू हुए थे एवरी मंथ विद टू
Hmm.
जीपीयू. सोच लो. हाँ.
Right. And this becomes the easy path in a way कि लोगों
हम्म.
को लगता है कि चलो मैं बिटकॉइन अभी है तो लाइक फक इट 44 lakhs का बिटकॉइन है इफ आई कैन जस्ट हैव 10 lakh का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर सेटअप एज ही सेड and then go ahead and start mining for it, like that would be a cheaper alternative. While it's true on paper, it's not true on practicality because at the time when he started mining, उस time it was actually like a lot of it was left to be unminted. So
हम्म.
it's not like कि तुमको किसी और का बिटकॉइन मिल जा रहा है.
मेरे
It's
को
like
याद था देर वर 5 million समथिंग लेफ्ट अबाउट.
hmm,
हाँ, ऐसे लेफ्ट थे. अब तो 2 million, 1 point something million रह गया.
and it's very hard to find because there are like आज के डेट में there are so many people who have actually
हम्म.
set up infrastructure, like dedicated companies who have set up infrastructure to do this because they have understood कि हाँ this is where the potential is. But पहले ज्यादा लोगों को पता नहीं था and there was so much in abundance, और पहले इसका worth उतना नहीं था. No one actually predicted this कि ये ऐसा हो जाएगा. So but that is how the entirety of it works.
And the main thing is this कि like the new graphic cards which are coming in, which is the RTX 3080, जिसका
Mm-hmm.
price is about 1,20,000 or 30,000 rupees. The
Mm-hmm.
main reason इतना एक्सपेंसिव है क्योंकि इससे लोग माइनिंग कर रहे हैं. आइसलैंड में जो सबसे बिगेस्ट माइनिंग हुआ है ना आउटपुट,
Mm-hmm.
so they are using these RTX GPUs. That's why इनका प्राइस इतना ऊपर है.
Right.
अब जाके मेरे को पता लगा है कि लाइक जब वो बाहर इतना ज्यादा यूज कर रहे हैं, वहां पे पता नहीं शायद से 10 लाख जीपीयू एक साथ रन कर रहे हैं, और उनका शायद से वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का बिल शायद से अराउंड 1 million देते हैं वो. इतना मेरे को
Hmm.
पता है. तो उनका
It's pretty
आउटपुट देख लो
crazy.
कितना ज्यादा होगा.
So again, now I want to just bring in a very interesting concept here, which is this mining. What if you actually take this mining and apply it to Dogecoin, right? If that's just taking it as an example,
Hmm.
the problem here would be that while you like since Dogecoin is an infinite supply, you might find more of it and you might mint out more of it. The problem here would be that it's since it's an infinite supply, the demand supply growth or like the demand supply graph will never actually become that steep.
हाँ,
So
लाइक इट विल नॉट मूव ओनली क्योंकि लाइक
exactly.
माइन अगर हो रहे हैं, सो पीपल आर नॉट इन्वेस्टिंग इट.
Hmm.
वो माइन हो रहे हैं, लाइक साइड साइड से निकल रहे हैं. माइन उसमें पैसे कोई नहीं डाल रहा, तो ऊपर जाएगा नहीं, नीचे जाने लग जाएगा.
And the only reason why it's going up right now is because it's not possible कि वो अभी अभी जैसे Elon Musk.
हम्म.
It's pretty crazy, when like
डोज
I
फादर.
think about it. Yeah, it's pretty crazy because हम like I don't know, it's a generation gap or what, but we have always been told that you have to work really hard for money. And all of a sudden I see this one tweet going ahead and shaking the fucking economy of the world. I see NFTs, like जो इंडिया में हम like इंडिया में we don't even purchase the clip arts, right? We just do a copy paste. And yeah, people are buying stuff that you could easily screenshot for like millions of dollars. And I'm like, bro, what the fuck? मतलब पैसे कमा रहे हो तो इसका मतलब ये थोड़ी नहीं किसी भी चीज में खर्च करोगे.
वही
So
तो.
yeah, so while it's so right now, as I said, right, the tweet thing happened, and it's a very short span of time.
हम्म.
Like the amount of demand that we have for this coin is never going to meet the supply that we have by that time. So that is why for this short-term trading, it's actually a good coin. Let's not actually predict anything on the episode, Avi.
Okay.
because I don't want this to become my कि like कोई राजू की माँ आके बोले लाइक मटर 80 रुपए थे और तेरे बिटकॉइन तेरे डोज कॉइन के चक्कर में हम गरीब रास्ते पे आ गए. But like
हाँ.
it's I would say do your analysis on it, and we'll leave some tips at the end of it. So stay tuned. So uh, one important part here. Now that we have touched the demand supply part of this, how
Hmm.
do we analyze? Because let's see, if we are talking about Doge, right? I'm taking Doge out of context here, like out of the complete conversation here, because Doge may it's just an intuition and gut feeling at this point. Because तुमको क्या लगता है कि कितना sell होगा, कितना buy होगा? What is the market
Hmm.
sentiment right now? It's just entirely going on that, and it's like even eighth or ninth में को क्या होता है? It will totally depend on what Elon Musk does
हाँ,
on the
वही
SNL.
जो वो बोलेगा वैसे चलेगा.
Like, you know what? I had this interesting theory. So, like, I had this interesting theory on the things that could happen with SNL. So, one is like you have to think, ki, what would Elon Musk actually want? Would he want, because from what I see, he wants this to be the coin of the people, the currency of the people,
हाँ.
right? So, I would just say that, hey, probably this guy wants it to be something that's like that where everyone earns the coin, everyone holds, the prices go up, like because he becomes a Robin Hood.
Hmm.
So in that case what he can do is probably make Tesla probably make Doge an acceptable form of currency to purchase Tesla, where some
हाँ.
like let's say something like that happens, right? Prices shoot up across the roof. But let's say because uske pehle jo dip आया, let's say, and I'm obviously assuming that he's holding a lot of it. He sells it all in a high and buys it back at the dip. And like uske SNL show ke pehle, let's say he clears all of it out before the show.
वही.
SNL show mein he does something very stupid. Prices go down. He buys it back up. After few hours later, Tesla announces that it's going to allow people to buy a Tesla car using Doge, and
Oh.
uska be up. Doge car prices shoot up
Hmm.
and that. But then it's just very stupid as theories that I had while not eating something that could make me think these things.
हाँ, वैसे तो बस इलॉन मस्क के बोलने की वजह से डोजकॉइन इज रनिंग टू बी ऑनेस्ट बिकॉज लाइक दिस पंप जो आज पंप हुआ है फ्रॉम नहीं जो कल और आज का पंप था रात में जो हुआ
Kal,
है फ्रॉम
yes.
जो 50 रुपीज तक जो चला गया था आज भी जो गया है ऊपर
Hmm.
तो उसकी कुछ नीड नहीं थी.
नहीं
हाँ.
बट आई थिंक डोज कॉइन जितना भी ऊपर गया है, बिकॉज डोज कॉइन का अगर हम ओरिजिनल देखेंगे इट वाज जस्ट अ जोक. इट वाज रिलीज
मीम
ऑन द
कॉइन. हाँ.
It was a meme coin. And it is like, I don't know, am I the only one who thinks that this is pretty insane? This
हाँ,
was a
इट इज
joke.
इनसेन.
Yeah, it was a joke, man. And it's now it's like at what, like we're pretty sure it's going to hit $1, and we are
इट
sure
विल.
that like it'll exceed a dollar. But like I'm not guaranteeing it. Invest at your own risk. Like there are thousands of disclaimers that come along with this podcast. But yeah, it just might.
वी कुड
And
सी इट.
so, but my point being, how do you analyze on which currency
Like the
going up?
main thing is for cryptocurrency, like how do I analyze? So
Hmm,
एक तो main चीज is कि like I check like when did it last touch the level which was the very low level of the
hmm,
of पूरे chart में like where did it and like where was the high level, and I use some indicators and tools like I don't depend on them but I use them just like check कि
to have
ऐसे
a
होगा नहीं होगा.
good layout of the data that you
हाँ.
have.
So एक तो एनालाइज ऐसे करता हूँ like I depend more upon the market movement not the indicators. Like I read
Hmm,
the news also. I don't
hmm,
depend upon कि like indicator बोल रहे हैं नीचे जाएगा ऊपर जाएगा, मेरे को उससे नहीं है, मेरे को न्यूज से है. जो
hmm,
न्यूज आती है I read that. So that is the
hmm,
meaning to read the news and to know what the movement is like and just not to invest straight away like जा रहे हैं ऊपर ठीक है लगा दो ऊपर जाएगा, जा रहे हैं
hmm.
नीचे तो जा रहे हैं नीचे लगा दो नीचे जाएगा, नहीं ऐसे नहीं है. We have to know the market like to be precise with it. So that is the main thing.
Because it's like there are many other factors that actually come into place. For example, if we take the Bitcoin Ethereum uh,
Hmm.
move that happened yesterday, right? Ethereum
Crazy.
prices shoot up. Kya. It's pretty crazy. And in those cases, you can't really just go ahead and take कि "ओ, ऊपर जा रहा है तो ऊपर जाएगा." There is some logic behind it. Like there is, you can see it happening. Like because these are actually currencies that are being used, like actively being used. So
Hmm.
obviously some study is required. And this is a free, like I have seen people just go ahead, like देखिए ये इसका जो ग्राफ है ना, ये ऊपर नीचे होता है सीसॉ जैसे, तो जैसे नीचे होगा ऊपर चले जाए, एंड आई एम लाइक डूड दैट्स नॉट हाउ इट वर्क्स. Like just because it looks pretty, or it gives you some sense as a visual demonstration, doesn't mean that that is how it works. Like you had those problems which would say that 1 plus 4 is equal to 10, and 2 plus 5 is equal to 13. Then what would 3 plus 6 be? And you would find out a pattern in 1 plus 4 and 2 plus 5, and then you would think that that is something that will give you the answer. But the actual answer is not it. The actual answer is just finding out a
कि
different
क्यों
problem, different
ऐसे, हाँ, क्यों ऐसे आएगा मेन, लाइक why it is coming out like this. So this was the main motive about this. Like
exactly.
analysis तो आप कर लोगे, but like अभी Ethereum का when the price was at around 2100 ish, so everybody said कि like बस it was the max ऐसे ही max था. बट हुआ क्या, मैंने यहाँ पे जो लोग जो like who all in my telegram, like I told them to buy it around here. So there are like about 50 people bought Ethereum तब उस time पे, and like they exited at around $3,004. So
Mhm.
like मैंने खुद चार्ट एक महीने बाद देखा Ethereum का, तो मेरे को लोगों ने बताया कि ये इतना प्राइस चला गया, तो मैंने सोचा था $100-200 ऊपर जाएगा, उससे ज्यादा नहीं जाएगा. Like it is really crazy to look at Ethereum go at such a high speed right now.
Hmm.
Like
And the
and उसका
same
market.
happened with Ethereum Classic.
Hmm.
But like let's not jump into individual stocks, because उसमें जिंदगी निकल जाएगी, like individual
हाँ.
cryptocurrencies, इसमें जिंदगी निकल जाएगी हमारी. But that is the thing, there are a few factors that actually come into play when you're looking at the uh, price prediction of a cryptocurrency.
Hmm.
One is a very, very basic idea of anything. Like the price fluctuation किसी भी चीज का क्यों होता है, which is something that you learn at the very primitive stage, and which applies here as well, which is demand supply.
The blank हाँ
So,
demand supply.
yeah, so अगर तू देख रहा है ना कि like if you want to purchase a stock, purchase a coin, purchase some currency, so
Hmm.
you will go ahead, like the one good thing to do is find out that how many other people do you think, or how much is that like how much is the market buzzing with that coin, like what is the market call on that particular coin. If like that is the first thing to see कि तेरे को क्या लग रहा है कि are people interested in buying that coin.
Hmm.
Do you think that coin actually holds as much interest as you have in it, or do you see prospect of that coin actually going as high? Some coins do have a purpose attached to them as well. Ki, let's say Ethereum coin hai, right? It has it's a charitable coin. It's a charity based coin. Uska idea is ki, let's help people out. So like let's just take one more coin into account, which is SafeMoon. So SafeMoon is again a DeFi coin. Matlab the point is ki it's available in a very short supply, and it's not really a great working model at this point. But the idea is कि you reward the holders, because when you're
हाँ.
getting in, तुम 10% उससे फी दे रहे हो गेट इन करने के टाइम पे, तुम 10% उस पे फी दे रहे हो गेट आउट करने के टाइम पे. उसमें से 5% दोनों टाइम पे लिक्विडिटी पे आएगा, और 5% विल बी रिडिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड अमंग द होल्डर्स. सो in that case, अगर कुछ भी हाई होता है, like let's say even if you see a 30% rise, which is very normal in case of these coins, if you're going for altcoins, which is matlab, how does kind of like penny stocks, uh,
Hmm.
in these cases what happens is this up and down 20 or 30%, it's pretty normal. It's not something like, oh fuck, market mein aaj ye ho gaya, like no one gives a
Hmm.
fuck. So in those cases what you have to do is you have to judge it by market sentiment ki, do you think other people would be willing to sell something that has a 10% uh, selling fee? because
Mm,
if that is the case, if you feel like तुमने market observe किया, you know how the trends are, you know how the graphs going, or like if you have done your analysis, then you take your call accordingly, right?
yes.
So I think that summarizes a lot of it. Do you think there are any other question, Avi, that you have come across, or like one common question that you come across that we have not discussed till now?
No, I guess everything is discussed till now, but like एक तो silly question I get the most here is like इंडिया में illegal है बिटकॉइन सब यही पूछते हैं.
या पता है, देर इज लाइक हम लोग जिस अथॉरिटी के अंडर है ना, and I'm not talking about the current government or any political party. I'm just
Hmm.
talking about the mindset of the uh, generation of people, or the just the people that have ruled us or are going to rule us in the near future. I feel कि somewhere in my head there is this कि यार ये लोग माल फूक के डिसीजन लेते हैं. ठीक है. And or sometimes I feel like they're very regressive in their approach, like very old school. So anything can happen. There is a sense of fear because it is new to most of us. It is unlike Avi, not all of us have been actually analyzing it since 2017. And while there are trends, even even though you have been investing in this for so long, you don't really know what the impact of uh, a complete legalization or a transparent legalization of crypto is going to have on our economy. So I think assessing those situations becomes important.
It is, and like पहले ही सबको ऐसे बता दे कि if you are going to invest from like any applications जो legal है इंडिया में like WazirX or anything CoinSwitch भी जानते हो, if you are
Hmm.
investing heavy amount in there and you are getting more than 5 lakh or 10 lakh rupees,
Hmm.
जस्ट टू बी श्योर कि अगर आप इतना, क्योंकि बैंक में जा रहे हैं, होता क्या है आपको 30% का टैक्स पे करना पड़ता है क्योंकि क्रिप्टो के ऊपर आपकी इनकम है
Yes.
इंडिया में. दिस इज द मेन थिंग कि लाइक इफ यू आर गेटिंग मोर देन 5 lakhs it is like about 20% of the tax. if you are getting 10 lakhs of income then it is 30%. so keep this thing in mind. अगर आप इतना इन्वेस्ट करने वाले हो
Right.
30% आपको टैक्स देना ही पड़ेगा.
And just a very important thing to add here, Avi. I'll add this thing from the perspective of someone who is already a taxpayer, and who has a different source of income as well. It's not necessary ki it doesn't depend on what kind of income you've had from crypto. I believe that it's if you're filing your taxes, or if you just have a IT file maintained, which I'm pretty sure you do if you're actually going ahead and registering on these apps because they require a PAN card. Your transactions are being recorded. I feel that even if you are not eligible to pay these taxes, pay taxes on this amount, it is very important that you actually go ahead and declare these. Or अगर जैसे let's say you're just earning 10,000, but your current salary is 495, it's important that you declare this 10% because it's going to push you into a different bracket, and you take your other investments a little carefully, because this adds up to it. It's not just that this is going to be treated as a separate in a separate tax bracket. It's just going to be your other source of income. So with that being said, I think we have addressed a lot of it, as much as we could in this very huge amount of time of like half an hour or something. But if you actually have more doubts, you can just comment them on this video, and we'll try our best to answer these. If you want more, those tips and trades, I you can do what I personally do. Join Avi's Telegram channel. I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video. You can observe it for some time. If you think that his analysis is correct, or if you believe in what he posts, or if you think that this is not just someone bluffing, or just doing just a jai mata di and finding out a number and just putting it out, go ahead and follow it through. See, start by investing small, gain your own confidence, and then do it. But I believe it's better to have your amount, it's better to relate to the folks who post about Doors to the Moon than actually sitting and watching the stories and having the fear of FOMO.
And like it's for free also. You can join it for free.
Yeah, yeah, that. Like I'm not out there selling subscription. Like there's like no, he didn't pay me for it. But
But
like
like
yeah, you can pay me for it. तो बहुत कमा रहा है.
Hold up.